Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Dropified product imports for Shopify and WooCommerce, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Dropified product imports for Shopify, first, ensure you have an active Shopify account. Navigate to the Dropified website and sign up by creating a new account. Once you're logged in, connect your Shopify store by selecting Connect Store from the dashboard. Follow the prompts to enter your Shopify store URL and authorize the connection. Now, let's explore how to add products from suppliers. Go to the Product Sources section on Dropified. Choose a supplier you wish to import products from, such as AliExpress or Spocket. Browse through the product listings and select items that fit your store's niche. Click on the Add to Dropified button for each product you want to import. After adding products, go to the Products tab in your Dropified dashboard. You can edit product titles, descriptions, and pricing to align with your branding. Once you're satisfied with the product details, select them for import to Shopify. Now, go to the import list and check the box for the products you want to push to your Shopify store. Click on the Push to Store button. Dropified will start syncing the products with your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify store and check to confirm that the products are uploaded correctly. Next, let's cover product imports for WooCommerce. If you don't have an active WooCommerce account, create one. Log into your Dropified dashboard and connect your WooCommerce store. Select Connect Store and input your WooCommerce store details. Create a list of products you want to import from your chosen suppliers. Like before, navigate to the Product Sources section and select the supplier. Add products to your Dropified account as you did previously. Once you've added the desired products, head to the Products tab. Edit any necessary details that reflect your store's branding. Then, go to the import list and select the products for WooCommerce. Click on Push to Store to transfer the products to your WooCommerce site. Wait for the syncing process to complete. Then check your WooCommerce store to verify the imports. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.